Smartsheet, when we invested, was actually smaller than 10 million of ARR. They were a business that ostensibly competed in a very crowded space. They were providing project management solutions in the cloud. And it was possible, though perhaps hard to imagine, how they could ever be more than $100 million of revenue at that small moment in time. But what they had was fantastic momentum, just revenue momentum and unit economic momentum and cohort momentum. And we saw an opportunity to really help that company scale just by providing more resources. They were burning money, and they needed more money to burn bluntly. They had already gone from the kind of fight to make sure it was a viable company. They had survived the early times of kind of creating a product. And the big question we had for most of the first years of the investment was, can this little thing be a big thing? And we answered that pretty conclusively by 2015 with an emphatic yes, it can be a big thing. In fact, it was already a big thing as we neared many tens of millions of revenue. And somewhere in that 2016, 2017 timeline, we started asking, can we be a great thing? And really opened our aperture for what our ambition could look like. And Insight provided follow-on capital support to really go for it. It was kind of the go big plan. Think about what's possible, what can go right, as well as what can go wrong, and really create the resources to really go for it. And I give that team full credit for articulating a plan to sustain growth at even a higher and higher scale. And it culminated in their going public on the New York Stock Exchange in April of 2018. And I couldn't be prouder of that team for evolving from can I survive to can I drive, and then can I thrive? And we talk about it in that context as a board. Like, we've really had these three distinct phases, and it's been a privilege to watch at least the last two of those three.